Welcome to MetaMask versus Shapeshift Edge. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets, examining their features, usability, and target audiences to help you choose the one that suits your needs best. MetaMask is one of the most popular wallets in the crypto space, specifically designed for users active on the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM-compatible networks. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app, making it easy to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, DeFi protocols, and NFT marketplaces. MetaMask supports a wide range of ERC20 and ERC721 tokens and includes a built-in token swap feature for convenient trading. However, as a hot wallet, its security relies heavily on how well users safeguard their private keys and seed phrases. Shapeshift Edge, on the other hand, is a versatile, multi-asset wallet that focuses on providing a non-custodial experience with enhanced user privacy. It supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, across multiple blockchains. Its key differentiator is its integration with Shapeshift's decentralized exchange, DEX, allowing users to trade crypto directly from their wallet without the need for KYC verification. Shapeshift Edge also offers features like secure password recovery and integration with hardware wallets, providing flexibility for both casual users and advanced crypto enthusiasts. When choosing between MetaMask and Shapeshift Edge, it largely depends on your use case. If you are actively involved in Ethereum-based ecosystems, frequently use dApps, or need advanced token management, MetaMask is the better choice due to its seamless integration with Ethereum and its comprehensive support for custom tokens. On the other hand, if you value multi-asset support, want enhanced privacy, or plan to trade across different blockchains without relying on centralized exchanges, Shapeshift Edge stands out as the more versatile option. In conclusion, both wallets are excellent for different needs. MetaMask for Ethereum and dApp users, and Shapeshift Edge for those prioritizing multi-chain support and privacy. Check out the links in the description and let us know in the comments which wallet works best for you.